سابق چیئرمین پی سی بی نجم سیٹھی نے بھارتی بورڈ کا دوغلاپن بے نقاب کر دیا۔ نجم سیٹھی کا کہنا ہے کہ بھارتی بورڈ ہمیشہ دوسرے بورڈز کو دبانے کی کوشش کرتا ہے۔ بگ تھری کی ناانصافی پر بھی پاکستان کھڑا ہوا۔
You know, it's the attitude of the BCCP. That's the problem. At every stage, they've been bullying people. But if I remember, I negotiated the final entry into the big three. We were the last ones. We said, no, we don't want to be part of the big three. And 9 members signed on. And Mr. Srinivasan came to me and said, why do you want to be left alone? Blah, 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 blah. You'll be isolated and all the rest of it. And we had decided that we would stand aside. Okay, because it was an inherently inequitous principle. And then they said, okay, we will revise the principle. We will increase the shares of certain other members, including us. And also they agreed to play a series with us in order to make up for our previous losses that we'd incurred. So the contract was fine. But see, then a year later, on the eve of the series, the BCCI without a word pulls out.